Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Let me know if I am audible. Good afternoon, Sham. Good afternoon, Sham. Good afternoon, Shankar. Good afternoon, Praveen Sankari. Good afternoon, Sheikh. Good afternoon, Pawan. Lakshmi, good afternoon. Karthik, good afternoon. Okay, everyone, good afternoon. There is no video. Sham is saying there is no video on YouTube playlist. How is that possible? Okay, so there is no video for yesterday's Sham. Okay, let me check. How is that possible? Okay, let me ask. Doma is asking anything important discussed. No, as of now, Doma, everything is. Yesterday we discussed Express.js and Node.js, and we made a server with Node.js as well as Express.js. Very simple server with simple routes. And IBM and NASCOM certificate are more important. Okay, like through this virtual internship, okay, your what is important, only IBM and NASCOM is important. Okay, the MongoDB certification is up to you. Okay, that if you want to do it, if you want to attempt the exam, well and good. The path has to be completed during this program, the learning path which we have given. Watch the videos, watch the quiz, do the labs, complete the path. Okay, and you will get 100% discount on the exam. You attempt that exam. Okay, but there is no deadline. Deadline is for IBM and NASCOM. Okay, good afternoon, Charan. Good afternoon, Gola. Good afternoon, Yarla Gadda. Good afternoon, Sai Kumar Dasari. Good afternoon, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Samaya. Good afternoon, Dinesh. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Yasin. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Nawaz. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So let us start. Is my screen visible? Sir, there is 100,000 limit joining class. How others join? Um, I think you have to. Okay, not visible. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, okay, first time I think I'm seeing 1,000 people have joined for the first time before 3 o'clock. Uh, yes, there is a Zoho limit. That is why others would have to watch on YouTube. Okay. NASCOM deadline. Kavya, please do it this week only. This is your final week for training. Okay. So today, not today, I think tomorrow there will be a quiz. Okay. Tomorrow there will be a weekly quiz. So whatever has been covered for this week, there is no deadline for MongoDB course. Okay. There is no YouTube live. Yamini is telling there is no YouTube live. Okay, I think yesterday's problem is still prevalent. Let me check with operations team. Why is that issue? Yesterday also same thing happened, right? During the 3 weeks, I think first time this has happened. Okay, I think like 4 weeks first time this has happened. Last week I think one day Thursday it happened when I was covering promises. Okay, and although class is being recorded, it should also be like getting streamed there. Okay, just give me a moment, let me check again. Okay, so YouTube streaming, there is some issue. Okay, yesterday something happened on platform. I think a lot of students joined. Okay, and students were getting redirected from Zoho to YouTube. Okay, like previously, what used to happen? YouTube links were separately given. Zoho invitation was given separately. Correct, sir? Please say about NASCOM. What NASCOM? NASCOM course done, Sunkari. How to access the MongoDB associate exam after filling the details and voucher code? You have to go see Talapuneni. Listen, okay, I'll show you. Wait. So Talapuneni is asking how to access the MongoDB associate exam after filling the details. Okay. So Talapuneni, what you have to do uh, when you will go to like your learning path now, like when you will go to MongoDB Node.js learning path for SmartBridge, okay, this path, remember the link that we shared for watching videos, Talapuneni, okay. When you will click on this register or view, you will see that these units you will see, and you will see this back to dashboard button. Click on it. Click on the back to dashboard button. Okay, just click on it. Okay. So click on it and you will see this MongoDB Node.js developer path for SmartBridge, and these are the units that you have done. Now, if you come at the bottom, you will see this your certification section. Okay, so at the bottom of the page, at the last, okay, at the last section of your page, okay, so this is the page, and at the last section, you will have this. Okay, associate developer exam Node.js. Now here it is coming purchase, but Talapuneni, in your case it would be manage exam or schedule exam, some other button would be here. You just click on it, you will be redirected to a new page which is Proctor U platform. You will be navigated to redirected to Proctor U platform. So when you will click on manage exam, there would be a manage exam button here. You will have to schedule your exam through that page. Okay, so by clicking on it, you will automatically go to that page. Okay, okay, Talapuneni. Okay, shall we dedicate assignment to complete and get certificate? Please address this. Which assignment? Which assignment you're not able to receive? Sir, I haven't registered on IAC portal. Yesterday I visited it, but there's no smart watch computer to apply. See, regarding IIC portal, you have to contact your faculty, okay, regarding IIC portal. If there is any problem with steps, you said Dasari, you are saying that you have not registered. Yesterday you registered, but you were not able to find the company. Just contact your college faculty once, okay, because regarding IIC portal, if you are not able to see SmartBridge and during last week you have not registered, there may be some problem because of late registration, maybe, I am not sure. So once check uh, in the internship section, just check if you are able to see SmartBridge or not. Okay, or if you are not able to see SmartBridge, maybe internship has already been started. Okay, so you will not see SmartBridge company. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, let us start now. Okay, and if that YouTube thing is resolved, somebody please notify me in Q&A section. Okay, okay, YouTube stream is working. Okay, just let me know if it is working or not. If it is working, those who are facing problem in joining this Zoho stream, Okay, just go to YouTube stream. Those who are watching YouTube stream, please watch the YouTube stream. Thanks to our operations team, it has been resolved. Okay, so yeah, guys, let us start. I think NASCOM process. NASCOM process. In NASCOM process, the link has been given, right? I shared it week 1 and week 2. Okay, like the week before this week also I shared NASCOM. Okay, in NASCOM link there is only one course, Digital Application Fundamentals. Okay, MongoDB date there is no last date. Only important certificates are IBM and NASCOM, not MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB learning path is important. So let me just those who are facing issues, YouTube stream is working, guys. Please go. Those who are not able to join Zoho, please tell your friends. Okay, just somebody give me a confirmation. Off stream is trying their best. Okay, just let me know if it is working or not. Okay, and just give me a moment. So Miss Pratiksha is also here. Okay. So if you have any queries or any doubts on YouTube or on Zoho, Miss Pratiksha is there, okay, to resolve. Let us come back to what we did yesterday. Okay, let me see my. Okay, let me just give me a moment. So we were discussing this, right? So request and response, and we also made a server. Okay, so we have done this. So only thing that is remaining in our backend. Okay, if you look here, so everything works well. Okay, everything works well. We have our front end app, okay, which is our React app. Okay, and this is our backend. Okay, we have made a server with Express.js and Node.js. Only thing that is remaining is the database. Okay, so this is what we have to do. We will understand like how databases are integrated in the server, and then we will combine both of them to send response to our React app. Okay, our front end app. Okay, so clear. So I'll just give me a moment. So response, right, by some mistake it got deleted. So response is data sent by server. Okay, and also make sure which technologies are used. I'll just write it here. So this is like your front end app would be in React.js. Okay, so this is React.js. Okay, and this one is our, this is Node.js, Express.js. Okay, this is server. Okay, and we will use now MongoDB. With our database. Okay, so these are the things that we will understand. Okay, so yeah, so we were like I have already explained a lot of stuff regarding Express. So there are just like in train there is like different coaches, right? So what we did, we understood routing. Okay, like how routing works. Okay, and the routing means like different locations. Okay, different locations, like different coaches in a train. Okay, different coaches are there in a train. Okay, just like different coaches in a train, we have, okay, let me write different coaches, okay, in a train. Okay, just like different coaches in a train, we have our routes. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, if there is anything that you're not able to understand, we will understand it through example. See, with example, it would be very easy for you to make connections. See, we have already imagined how our server would be. We have already imagined. Okay, we have already imagined, and we have said, okay, so Node.js is a web framework. Okay, so what is Express? So Express is like a train TT, I have told. Okay, like train ticket collector. Okay, so this is how it is. Like imagine Express is a train TT. So what does train TT do? It goes to different coaches for checking. Okay, one coach. So there is like sleeper coach. Okay, there is like one coach. Okay, let's say okay, just give me a moment. So let's say there is like coach one. Okay, okay, so there is like different coaches in a train. There's like different coaches in a train, right? So this is like S1 sleeper, S2 sleeper, and then this is like B1, which is AC. Okay. So these routes or these locations would be like this. Okay. Front slash S1 in the URL. Okay. Front slash S2, front slash uh, B1. Okay. Something like this. So what is this actually in web server language? It is just like this. Okay. Like what it would be? It would be like HTTP. Oh, sorry. Localhost 5000 front slash S1. Similarly, this would be for like S2. Okay. Similarly, for S3, B1. Okay, B1 is AC. So this is how it is. This is how we can like understand. Okay, got it. So this one, this is the location for this. This is the location for this. Okay, and this is the location for this. Okay, understood. Right. Let me just. Okay. So these are the things that you have to understand. Okay, understood everyone. Okay. So this is what we did previously. Previously, what we did. If you open, just give me a moment. Where is the file? Okay, I think just give me a moment. Let me download it from Drive. One. Sorry guys, it got deleted by mistake. Okay, let it download. So you are getting my point. So it will just look like, okay, that you are handling these routes. Okay, and the second one would be like, okay, you will also help in securing the train. Okay, it has been downloaded. Just give me a moment. me open this. I'll just zoom in. So yeah, so index we are not using. I'll just comment it out. Not using anything here. Your wish, if you want to comment it out, I'll comment it out. Okay. You can remove the comments. And in app.js, this is what we were doing. So we made a web server. Okay. We made a web server. Okay. And we ran this web server. Okay. So this is what you have to understand, that okay, this is your Express app. We are not using Node.js HTTP module. We are only using Express. Okay. And we ran this app. Okay. That's it. We have not done anything. Only thing that we have done is we have sent this line. Okay. We have sent this line that, okay, we will send it to the front end. Idli is ready. We will send biryani is ready when we will go to biryani /biryani route. Okay. What we can do, let us set again. Let us again do it. Everyone, let us do it again. So what we will do, okay, we will run. So I will write npm, or sorry, node space app.js. Press enter, and I am getting some error. Okay, just give me a moment. I think this error we got yesterday also. Cannot find module express. Why? Express is downloaded. Okay, let us to resolve this error. Okay, let me write npm install. Okay, let us check. There might be some issue somewhere. Okay, so I've run npm install, and I am getting a node modules folder here. So that is okay. Now let me run. Okay, now it is running. So there was node modules folder problem. So let us go to our browser and check if these things are working or not. So what we will do, I will write http colon localhost colon 5000. Okay, cannot get. Why? Hmm, let me check. Hmm. There's some error that I cannot get. Why? So there is this 5000 and it is running. I am getting the code here. Okay. So what could be an issue? Let me check. Okay, so I have not made a home route. Okay. So let us make a home route or default route. So let us make a default route, and this I will keep it here, and we will make a default route. So everyone just make app.get and keep it empty. Write the callback function like this, but keep it empty. Okay. And here inside this we will write a request comma response like this. Okay. Even if you can check if you are writing it correctly or not. So I will just remove res and I will write rec comma, and see it is telling me to write response. Okay. You cannot write response first and request after. No. Request first and then response. See. So I'll just write res. That's it. Just do this first. This is a default route. Okay. Some people call it home route also. Okay. So this is the default thing that will be sent. Okay. On this particular address. So these are like address, idli address, biryani address. Okay. We will check this. Are these addresses or are these routes working? Okay. Okay. Done. Now what we will do? I will just simply open this and I will write res.send. What I will send? I will send home page. And let me make a home also here, like this. Okay. Home page like this. Again, I will use Control plus C. Okay. Control plus C to do what? Control plus C to do what? Stop my server. Now my server has been stopped. Now again I will run node app.js. It is again running. Now let us check. Let me refresh. Okay, I am seeing my home page. I am seeing my home page. Let us go to Idli address. I want to go to Idli address. Idli Bandi. Idli is ready. Okay, let us go to Biryani home. Biryani address. Biryani is ready. And if I will write anything mumbo jumbo, I will not get any response. Okay. So Express is automatically handling, it is not giving me error directly, it is handling error. That is the good thing of Express. In Node.js, you will see blank screen, but here you can actually see that a proper message cannot get. Okay, okay, okay. So this is one of the benefits. Also, to run my whenever I'm making changes, again I am stopping my server and again I am starting my server. That is very hectic. So what I will do, okay, instead of stopping and running server again, I will use nodemon. So everyone type nodemon on Google. Type nodemon on Google. Okay, type nodemon. Click on it. So you will see this first option. So you will get this page, okay, nodemon. So you have to copy this npm I nodemon from here, okay. You will get, when you will type nodemon on Google, no daemon, it is not no daemon, it is nodemon, okay. So when you write nodemon, first option will be there. You will click on the right hand side, you have this installation option. Copy this npm I nodemon. Copy this, everyone, okay. Copy this. What will happen after I install nodemon? Again and again, I will not need to stop it. Okay. I don't need to stop my server again and again and again. Whenever I'm making changes in my code, I will stop, Control C, npm I nodemon. Press enter. It is installed. You can check in the dependencies, nodemon is installed. Now what you have to do? What you have to do? You see this script. In the script, what you do? You write dev, okay, and inside this double quotes you will write nodemon space app.js. Save. This is the thing what you have to do after installing nodemon. After npm install nodemon, what you have to do? Am I audible? I think I am audible. Okay, so you have done the changes in scripts. You have to change dev, okay, dev, and then colon nodemon space app.js. Now what you have to do? After changing this, save the file and then write npm space run dev, npm space run dev, and press enter. You will see this option nodemon is running. Okay, after writing npm run dev, this script will run nodemon space app.js. Okay, if you are facing problem, you can also directly write nodemon and space app.js to run. This also you can do, your wish. This will also start nodemon. Okay, this will also start a nodemon. Okay, so your wish, whatever you want to use. Now if I make any changes, let's say if I make a change, let's say idli is ready, so I am adding an emoji here. Okay, let's say something like this. Okay, so I am adding this emoji. See, whenever I am saving, my server is automatically restarting. It is automatically restarting whenever I am saving. If I remove this, again I save my file, see the terminal. Again it is restarting and running. Now you do not need to stop the server and run it again. Okay. It will be handled automatically. Your server will automatically see the changes in the code and run again. Okay, clear this much? So everything is working fine. And let us return to something very important, which is okay. So express has been done. You guys are understanding express. Okay. Now one major factor, where is the cursor? Major factor is we have not discussed about database. Let us quickly discuss about the database. Okay. Okay. Let us start. Let us start. Am I audible? I think I am audible. Am I audible, guys? Okay, I am exiting the session. Okay, and I am rejoining. Okay, then YouTube stream will work. Is it okay if I exit the session and rejoin? Then YouTube session will work. Okay, that is what I have been told. So I have to exit and then I will come back. Okay, so Miss Pratiksha, I am exiting the session. Okay.
Yes, yes. YouTube will not work. Here only we will see changes, like it will run smoothly if you rejoin.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I am
Bhagyarekha is saying.
okay, 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 okay. I will rejoin. You also rejoin. I'll make you co-organizer again. Okay. So I'm
Okay.
exiting. Okay. You also rejoin. Okay, guys. I'm exiting. Okay. I'll rejoin.